Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of GitHub, a platform that has revolutionized how developers collaborate and manage software projects. It's interesting to think about how much of our daily tech relies on open source contributions. So let's get into some of the captivating features that make GitHub a powerhouse for developers. First off, let's talk about GitHub Copilot. Ever heard of it? It's like having a coding buddy who can suggest entire lines of code or even functions as you type. Imagine you're a developer, and instead of staring at a blank screen, you've got an AI assistant that anticipates your next move. How cool is that? We'll explore how it's making coding more efficient, but also raise questions about creativity. Can it overshadow a developer's personal touch? Then there's security. With everything being online, how do we ensure that our beloved code is safe? GitHub has features that help find and fix vulnerabilities. It's almost like having a security guard for your code, which brings a sense of peace of mind. But let's think about this. When does security become too invasive? We can't forget the automation aspect. GitHub Actions allow developers to automate workflows. Imagine setting up your environment or deploying your app without lifting a finger. It can save so much time. But is there a point where we can get lost in automation and forget the core of what we're building? Next up, the community side. There's something really special about how developers can discuss their problems or share insights through the GitHub Discussions feature. It's like having a massive support group. But it does make me wonder, how do we maintain quality interactions in such a vast space? And let's also touch on GitHub sponsors. It gives us a chance to financially support the creators of our favorite open source projects. This could significantly shape the future of open source development. But can you imagine a day when we see sponsored features in open source software? What would that even look like? As we wrap up, let's reflect on how GitHub has not just changed the coding game, but reshaped our engagement with technology. It's a powerful reminder of what collaboration can achieve. So, what are your thoughts? How do you think platforms like GitHub might evolve in the future? Thanks for joining me on this exploration of GitHub. Keep coding, keep collaborating, and who knows what we'll build together next time.